Building an AI model is only 10% of the work. The other 90%? Data collection, cleaning, deployment, monitoring, the full pipeline. Today, we're mapping the entire journey from raw data to a model running in production. Welcome to Episode 5 of the AI Masterclass. This is the ultimate reference diagram, the end-to-end AI pipeline. By the end, you'll understand every step from raw data to a deployed model. Here's the full pipeline at a glance. Data collection, data preparation, feature engineering, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Each stage feeds into the next, and the whole thing loops back when the model needs retraining. Let's walk through each stage. Stage 1, data collection. This is where it all begins. You need to gather relevant data from databases, APIs, web scraping, sensors, user interactions, or public datasets. The key question is, does this data represent the problem you're trying to solve? Garbage in, garbage out. The quality of your data determines the ceiling of your model's performance. Stage 2, data preparation. This is where data scientists spend most of their time, up to 80%. You clean missing values, remove duplicates, fix formatting. You normalize numbers so they're on the same scale. You encode categories into numbers. You split the data into training, validation, and test sets. This unglamorous work is the foundation of every great model. Stage 3, feature engineering. This is the art of creating the right inputs for your model. Raw data rarely works as is. You might combine columns, extract date parts, create ratios, or bin continuous values. Good features can make a simple model outperform a complex one with bad features. This is where domain expertise matters most. Stage 4, model training. You choose an algorithm, feed it the training data, and let it learn. The model iterates through the data many times. Each pass is called an epoch. During training, you monitor the loss going down, tune hyperparameters like learning rate and batch size, and use the validation set to check for overfitting. Stage 5, evaluation. You test the model on data it has never seen, the test set. For classification, you look at accuracy, precision, recall, and the confusion matrix. For regression, you check mean squared error and R-squared. The goal is to make sure the model generalizes well, not just memorizes the training data. The biggest trap in model training: overfitting versus underfitting. Overfitting means the model memorizes training data, but fails on new data. Underfitting means the model is too simple to capture patterns at all. The sweet spot is a model that generalizes. It learns the underlying patterns without memorizing noise. Stage 6, deployment. Getting the model into production is its own challenge. You need to package the model as an API or embed it in an app. You set up serving infrastructure, containers, load balancers, auto-scaling. You implement monitoring to track model performance over time. And you build a retraining pipeline because models degrade as data shifts. Let's zoom out and see the complete picture one more time. Data flows in from collection, gets cleaned and transformed, features are engineered, the model trains and gets evaluated, then it's deployed to production where it serves predictions. Monitoring feeds back into data collection, closing the loop. This is the real-world AI pipeline. You now have a complete map of the AI pipeline. From data collection to deployment, you understand every step. In the next episode, we're diving into the core algorithms of machine learning, starting with linear regression and decision trees. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.